Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg fry dry rice. First, ensure your rice is cold and day-old. This prevents stickiness. You'll need about 2 cups. Next, beat 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process smooth and quick. This simple preparation is key to a delicious outcome. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Pour in your beaten eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just set but still soft. Remove the cooked eggs and set them aside. Add another tablespoon of oil to the pan, then add your chopped onion and garlic. Sauté these aromatics until they are fragrant and slightly softened, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked rice to the pan with the sautéed onion and garlic. Use your spatula to break up any clumps and stir-fry the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. This helps to dry out the rice and give it a slightly crispy texture. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. Stir well to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout the rice. For the final steps, add your scrambled eggs back into the pan with the rice. Gently fold them in, ensuring they are well combined without overmixing. Cook for another minute or 2, just to heat everything through. Garnish your delicious egg-fried dry rice with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.